Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have the full spoilers for the March Ipsy bags. Now this one is for the Ipsy GlamBag Ultimate Bag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button, make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified, you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Andy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from the last video, which were the full spoilers for the Ipsy March Standard Bag. Congratulations, Heather K. Heather says, hey girl, have a beautiful day. Well, thank you, Heather, honey. I hope you have a beautiful day as well, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and thank you so much for hitting your bell, girl. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first we're going to take a look at the bag. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I think it's perfect for March for some reason. I think green. But when I seen this blue and yellow, I think it's even more better than just a green color. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the rhinestones. It just looks, it gives me like classic vibes for some reason. Remember those caboodles we used to get and put our makeup, our little play makeup and stuff in? Well, no, because I had one in high school. I was out of play makeup too. You know, it went from me putting my kid makeup in there into putting real makeup in there. Remember them things, y'all? That's what this reminds me of with those colors, and I absolutely love them. Now I'm going to put up the spoilers, and guys, y'all know there's always too many for me to name off, so I just sort of pop them up here for you to see. If you've been with me, if you've watched my channel for a while, y'all know that I ain't naming off 50 products when I could just put them up here, because y'all ain't dumb. You already know what this stuff is. I don't have to tell you, hey, that's a concealer, that's a blush, y'all know what it is. Y'all are smart. But anyways, a lot of people already know what they're already getting. So if you would, comment below what you're getting in your bag. That way we could all be nosy. We could all see the different variations and everything, because I love to see those. And of course, as soon as they start revealing April spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Mouthy Mama. Mouthy Mama says, love it. Well, thank you so much, Mouthy Mama. I really appreciate that, honey. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube has been unsubscribing people like it ain't nobody's business. I can't stand it. I cannot stand when they do shit like that. But if you would double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.